When you upload the video and immediately hit public right away, it immediately goes live. So when YouTube will start testing that video right there and then, and YouTube will push the video to few people. So if your audience are not online then to see that video, and those people that YouTube push the video to are not really watching long enough, YouTube will think that that video is not interesting at all. The earlier data, that minute that your video drops on the YouTube platform is very, very important. If your audience is at work, and once the momentum dies, it's very hard to bring it back. So here's the secret of scheduling your videos. Now here's what smart creators do. They schedule their videos at the peak time. So think of scheduling video as setting the stage. You are allowing YouTube to prepare your video for launch, for processing the HD, the thumbnail, the optimization. That's what you're doing when you schedule your video. While you schedule your video, you can build anticipation on your Instagram, your TikTok, or your Facebook. You can send them a message with the link of the video because it's on schedule. They will see that this video is dropping by 4 o'clock tomorrow. So you have already built that anticipation on other of your social media, letting them know that you are going to publish a video by so time. So by then, your audience on Facebook or on TikTok is getting ready to watch that video immediately it drops. Let me give you example of what I'm saying. In my other channel, I used to publish public. I used to click public and publish, but since I started scheduling my videos, that same type of video has been getting views. So when you schedule your video, is telling the YouTube algorithm to prepare the video to show it to the audience that will like it before it gets public. So it's getting more view, and YouTube is pushing that video because it's giving YouTube data that more people are interested in that video. So by then, YouTube is actually pushing that video out to more viewers, to more. The right way to upload videos, instead of choosing public, choose schedule. Go to your YouTube analytics, choose the time that your viewers are online. That is the time you will schedule your video so that your viewers will know that this is when your video is coming up and they can watch it. So when you put it on schedule, make sure you put it on premiere for people to see that, okay, we are expecting so video by so time on your YouTube channel. So like I said, use the time before the video launches to do your promotion. Use to promote your video. Is it on your Instagram, your TikTok, your Facebook, your email list? You send people a notification that your video is coming up by so time. So it will make you have more viewers. It will make you have more people standing by to watch your video, and by that way YouTube will actually push that video out to more audience. By then you're getting more views and more engagement. To upload your videos at least 24 hours before the scheduled time so that YouTube can fully process it into HD and set it up for the first best impression. So if you've been wondering why you're uploading videos and you're not getting views, this is your time. Start treating your videos like a movie premiere and not a casual upload. So I'm going to show you a video example of how you can choose schedule when you want to upload videos, so that you can upload the right way and get more views on your videos.
I'm walking you through my screen record to show you how to schedule your video. It's not going to be a long one. Let's get into it. So I'm clicking on the plus sign on my YouTube Studio app. It's going to take me to my gallery. So let me say I am making use of this particular video. You head over to your visibility. You click on visibility. You click on schedule. You click on date and time, the local time. You choose the date that you want it to go public. The date, that's the day you want to publish your video. I will choose on the 5th, which is on a Saturday, and I will say okay, and I will go and choose the date, like the time rather. I'll choose the time. Is it AM morning? Is it PM evening? So you choose whatever time that suits your audience or your location. So I will pick 5. It's on 5 a.m. I want it 5 p.m. So I'll click on PM. It will go to PM, and I'll click on OK. So I will go here, I will say upload. If I want to add a thumbnail, you go on this pencil icon and you add a thumbnail. If you want to add your playlist, you go here, you add a playlist. Of course, this content is not meant for kids, so if you want to add any related video, you can. Is it allowed here? No, that one is not allowed here. So my comments is turned on already, so we click on upload. So let's wait for it to upload. But mind you, this video, I didn't change the file name, I didn't put end screen, I didn't see any space for me to put end screen from there. So if you want to always add your end screen, your cards, your description, you can add your description here, but your end screen and your cards, you have to upload from the Chrome desktop version. That is where you have to upload from the Chrome desktop version. So we are trying to wait for the video to process. It's processing. So as you can see, is on July 5th, 2025 by 5 p.m. So let me open it. So this video is currently private and is scheduled to become public. Can you see? This video is currently private and is scheduled to become public on July 5th, 2025 by 5 p.m. So this is actually how you can schedule your video. If you want it 3 days, 4 days, or you know that okay, those contents you don't have enough space, you can actually upload it here, scale it to the date that you want. In 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you can allow it to be here. So whenever the time that you choose is when YouTube is going to allow the video to be public. So please, if you find this useful, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Please turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I make a new content. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.